Good afternoon, dear children. This is Hindi class. In this class, we are going to see how to write Varnamala Pa to Shra. In previous class, we have completed Ka to Na. Now we'll see Pa to Shra how to write. Yes, children, you have to follow all instructions clearly and you have to write in your homework book. Yes, children, I hope everyone has completed previous class portions in your homework book, children. Now we'll see this. Yes, children. Shall we start now? How to write? We'll see it in video. So start, children. Up to here we have completed Ka to Na. After Na, what it will come, children? It is Pa, right? Shall we start now? First, you have to draw standing line. Then you have to take it curve. Then you have to draw standing line. Then up, slipping line. It is what? Pa. Now Fa. First standing line, curve, then standing line. And how we have done in Ka, how when we are writing Ka, how we have done in same way you have to draw it. Then slipping line. It is Fa. Now standing line, one circle, and from in that circle only slanting line and up slipping line. It is Bha. Now we will see Bha. Then standing line, slanting line, then touching that middle one you have to draw slipping line, then once again standing line, up you have to make it one small circle and up one slipping line. It is Bha. Now in the same way Ma we have to write. See, standing line, small slanting line, and then middle line slipping line, then standing line, up, slipping line. It is what? Ma. Let's see here, children. Curve, then down curve, then standing line. Here. Next, Ra we have to see curve, one small circle and down slanting line, up slipping line. It is Ra. Now once again standing line, small curve. See, children, in same way. Then curve. It is L. Now standing line, circle. From middle you have to draw circle and up slipping line. It is V. Now She. See, curve, then small circle, down slanting line, beside one standing line. Here up you have to draw one small circle and then you have to join both line. It is She. Now Sha we'll see. Per how you have written, in the same way you have to write Sha also, children. Then middle you have to draw one slanting line, up slipping line. It is Sha. Now Sa we'll see. One curve, then down curve, down slanting line, middle, in middle slipping line, then standing line, up one slipping line. It is Sa. Now we'll see her small standing line, then C we have tried curves. Then from there small curve, then one more curve. It is Her. Now let's see how to write Sh. First see how curve, then one more curve, and here you have to make one small circle. Down you have to take, then up you have to, then here middle one slipping line, standing line, up you have to make one small circle. It is what? Sh. One more time we'll see. Curve and down you have to come circle, up one circle, and from there slipping line and standing line, up slipping line. Sh. Now let's see Tra. Standing line, curve. See, from middle you have to write curve. From there itself you have to write one more draw slanting line and up slipping line. It is Tra. Now let's see here. Standing line, from middle, slipping line, and one curve, and from the edge of curve one small circle, up, slipping line, near. Now let's see shra. See, from down curve and small circle and one more curve, then standing line, from there itself one slanting line, up one slipping line. Yes, here we have completed per to n letters. How to write? Yes, children. Now you have to write in your notes, children. Write neatly, properly you have to write, children. Okay, you got to know about strokes, right? Here I have written sure 2 times. If you can't write 1 time properly, so write down 2 times, no problem. If you have written properly in first time, don't write 2 times, children. Okay, follow clear instructions and then you have to write, children. Okay.